I'm standing here today talking to you because of a decision that I made 6 years ago. A decision to overcome my insecurities, to push through the negative thoughts. A decision to take a leap of faith and do something that I'd always dreamed of. Each year, our university hosts a day where our student societies hold a stall to attract new members. 6 years ago, I was fresh out of high school and wanted the experience that I'd always seen in the movies. But at the same time, surrounded by hundreds of people, I didn't want to talk to anyone, and I was absolutely terrified. But I pushed through. I told myself, if you don't try, you're going to regret it for the rest of your student life. This is what you've always wanted. It's right there. Just take it. So I took a deep breath and a few more steps into the crowd. In the far corner of the UTS building, I found what I was looking for. The UTS Robotics Society, in all of its battery-operated, computer vision and Raspberry Pi-filled glory. With sweaty palms and a dry mouth, I introduced myself to the executives running the stall. Not more than 5 minutes later, I'd finally done what I'd always dreamed of. I'd become a member of the geeks, the tech heads, the problem solvers. These were my people. After that day, things started getting a little bit crazy. After 1 year building robots, coming up with technical solutions, I was nominated for the presidential position of the club. And when I say nominated, I was the only nominee. All of the people, majority of the members that I showed were graduating, and someone had to take the lead. So this time, my decision to get involved was not really a choice, it was a necessity. I had to keep the Robotics Society going. I had to give other students the same opportunity that I had, and that helped me so much. This obligation to the society was worth far more to me than my fears or anxieties. So after being thrown into this position, forcing away my doubts, my network and confidence was growing like crazy. I was meeting new students on staff on the daily, and I was forcing myself to get involved with more and more projects on campus. When I attended the Silicon Valley meetup last year, my mind was absolutely blown. I'd never dreamed that I'd be on the other side of the world, meeting so many new people, working in a program that was changing universities' lives and our world. Meeting the Fabs, getting to know them, they were just absolutely inspiring. They were so cool. And one of the most amazing things that I realized was deep down, they too were just ordinary people doing extraordinary things. Now I'm sure that many of you know, the nature of being an Innovation Fellow is one that is very high energy, we use strong communication, we're always surrounded by people. And this generally makes people think that we're extroverted people. We're very go-getting, we seek opportunities and we take high risks. But I have a confession. That's not who I am on the inside. Who I am on the inside is someone who's full of doubt, constant anxiety, endless questioning of my actions. It's the exact opposite of what so many people consider me to be. Standing here today, I know there are some of you, many of you even, who are feeling way out of your comfort zone. You're in the same position. You don't feel like you belong here. You're feeling way underqualified. But I tell you what, you're here doing something amazing. You're making a decision to get involved, and that is absolutely incredible. I'm here today talking to you because of a decision that I made 6 years ago. A decision you can all make. A decision to get involved. And it's the best decision that I ever made. So I want to encourage you all, don't sit back and wait for opportunities to come. When opportunities do come, take them, every single one. Yes, it's going to be overwhelming. Yes, you're going to feel tired. And yes, it's all going to be worth it in the end. Trust me. It might not be right away, but in 6 years' time, you too might find yourself somewhere you never dreamed you'd be. So I'd like to leave you with a question. How might you push through your fears to unlock your potential?